Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I'm at Neeran Motors Royal Enfield to check out the all-new Meteor 350, and this was launched just 2 days back, and today I'm going to test drive this and tell you if this is going to be a game changer, and if this is a good option for anyone to go and purchase one of these. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and also make sure you hit the bell icon to get an update on every video I post. And let's talk a little in depth about this motorcycle right after this intro video. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and like I mentioned, I am going to ride the Meteor, and Meteor comes in 3 different variants. That's Supernova, Stellar, and also Fireworks. So the one which I have is the Fireworks, which is the basic variant, and the top end is called Supernova, and the mid variant is called Stellar. And for the first time, Royal Enfield has introduced USB charger built in, that is in this portion. So that means you are sorted for all your long rides. You have the USB charger here, and a couple of things worth mentioning is the new chassis. The entire chassis of this motorcycle is brand new, and this is where you can see this is a V-shaped new chassis, and also gets a new engine. So this is a single head overcam engine and has 2 valves, and also gets a long stroke. That means the motorcycle is going to be much more nimble, and you are not going to get any vibration, unlike what Royal Enfield was known earlier, but not anymore. With this, that will also reduce your vibration. So let's go ride the Supernova and tell you more about how the motorcycle rides, and let's tell if it is going to be the game changer. And finally, we'll get the Royal Enfield Meteor for its test ride, and I have Aryan with me who's going to give some cool drone shots, and let's ride this and tell you how this motorcycle performs. Let's do it.
So let's ride this motorcycle and tell you how this motorcycle performs. So the very first thing that is noticeable is the smoothness and the refinement of the machine. So this motorcycle is super smooth and super refined, and even when you look at the gearbox, it is so smooth in terms of shifting the gears. There is no stress at all when you change the gear. It is very smooth, and the acceleration is also immediate. You get a very good smooth power when you accelerate, and that is amazing. I'm on the 3rd gear and trying to max it out, and there is a very good flow of power through the gear shifting, and when you shift on to 4, it is very smooth, and in no time the motorcycle has already reached 80, and I'm still only in 4th gear. The feel of the ride is very good, and the motorcycle feels very stable. And I have Aryan right behind me as a pillion, and the motorcycle, in spite of that, is riding very well, and you can feel the power. The braking of this motorcycle is also very good. There is a very good punch in the initial first 2 gears, and the motorcycle gives you enough power when you throttle it. It is very smooth burst of power as well. And let's try how fast this motorcycle can go, and I am trying to push this as max as possible with the given scenario. The acceleration of the motorcycle is immediate. There's no lag in power at all, and the motorcycle just zips immediately the minute you throttle it, and the motorcycle goes 0 to 100 in no time, and there is no stress at all. You don't really need to push the motorcycle to reach 100, and I'm only on the 4th gear, and I still have a gear left, and the motorcycle has already done 100. So let's see how this behaves in this curve. Wow, this motorcycle is handling really well in the curve as well, and I've easily do 120 on this. At the same time, the motorcycle is very agile as well. The motorcycle feels very nimble. You can swing the motorcycle the way you want it. It just leans the way you want it, and it is very nimble. And just look at this braking. It is brilliant. See the way the motorcycle is cutting down speed, and see how the Odo immediately drops down the minute you brake. And the best part is this motorcycle has a good low end torque also. So on a higher gears, like on the 4th, you can ride in lower speed as well. You need not change the gears every now and then. So this is superb low end torque, and this has been a trademark for Royal Enfield for most of their motorcycle. And look at that motorcycle doing 110 in no time and without any stress at all. And there is absolutely no vibration. You can feel a little bit of wind blush, but then there is no vibration. And in spite of me having a pillion with me, and one more thing, there is no unexpected power rush at all. It's a very good distribution of power, and you exactly know how much power you're getting when you throttle this motorcycle. There is a good distribution of power across power bands, all the gear ratios. It is very smooth and very nice as well. And I must talk about the riding position. It is super comfortable. The seats are broad and has a good amount of cushion as well. And the best part is the way the gear and the brakes are positioned. You literally feel like you're sitting on a chair when you ride this, and you can munch kilometer without a problem. And the similar holds good for the pillion seat as well. The pillion seat is good, broad enough, and is comfortable sitting. 0 to 100 on this motorcycle is like a snap on your finger. You don't have to stress at all, and the motorcycle immediately takes 0 to 100 in no time. So now we are going towards Yajamadi to get some nice drone footage, and Aryan is gonna help me with a lot of drone footage, as well as he's just helping with the videography as well for me.
It's always so much of fun to ride towards countryside and look at the greenery across this place. And what you can see right in front of you is the ocean. Look at that. This is so beautiful. And there is a little bit of bad roads. Now let's talk about the turning radius of this motorcycle. I must say the turning radius is superb on this motorcycle. And we are at this place called Yajamadi. And let's go ahead and see what's there for us. Well, that brings to the end of this review, guys. I am getting back to Niran Motors to give the motorcycle back, and thanks a lot to Niran Motors.
The test ride of the Meteor, and I just love this motorcycle. And if you are from Mangalore, you want a test ride, please come to Niran Motors in Mangalore. And if you are watching this video from any other part of this country, go to the nearest Royal Enfield showroom to test ride one of these, and I'm sure you'll love it. And that's all for this video. I'm gonna say ciao for now. Bye bye, guys.